So this is Euro Pound analysis for Friday, 22nd of December. Now let's have a look what happened with prices previously and do what we might possibly see going forward. So we've come into this 88.51, which is the upper end of the trading range. A trading range being between the 87.83 to the lower end and 88.51 to the upper end. So we came up, tested this 88.51, had a brief pullback, then we had a successful break, a test all the way up to the 88.74 that we were expecting. Weekly minor level marked out here in blue. We have traded above this 88.74, but we have not seen the buy side momentum to take us all the way up to our the next target that we are looking at in around at 89.14. We have not seen the buy side momentum to take us back up there. What we have seen is a weakening in the upside momentum above this 88.74. Several frequent tests of this 88.74. We did see a breakdown, and we have seen a brief sell-off here. Quite a bit on a few euro pairs. So we've traded back down into the trading range in around at 88.51, but at present we are seeing some buy side momentum. So as you can see here, we had some selling going into the trading range, but we are seeing some buy side momentum come back into the market. So if we trade back above the 88.51, we are possibly looking for a move up towards our 88.74. Successful break from which we'll be looking to target 89.14. If we do successfully break above this 89.14, the very next level that we are looking at is in around at 88.45. I don't anticipate prices moving much beyond 89.45 on Friday. I would expect that to be the far end of the range. If, however, we do see the breakdown, the continued breakdown from where we are at present into the trading range, we'll have a look to see how prices react in around let's just get this right. We'll see how prices react in around the 200 and 400 period moving average, which are pretty close to this 88.20, to see if we do see some buy side momentum for a retest of 88.51 and 88.74. If, however, we do see a breakdown in prices from the 200 and 400 period moving average, again, we'll be looking to target the lower end of the trading range in around 87.83, break from which we're looking for 87.50. Currently we're at 88.50, so I can't anticipate prices moving much beyond 87.50 without a strong fundamental news catalyst. So I expect 87.50 to be the lower end of the range, and possibly in around this 89.45 to be the upper end, of the trading range. But at present, most recent trend does appear to be slightly to the downside, unless we do get a turnaround here at the support at 88.51 before we can change our bias for further upside momentum from the momentum that we have seen from the when we broke out last to the lower end of the channel, the trading, well, this sort of trading channel here, this trading range. So we have seen some buy side momentum come into the market upward. So if we do hold 88.51, we do see some buy side momentum possibly closing above 88.74. We can look to target 89.45. If, however, we do see a breakdown, say a test and a failure, or a break below 88.51, a test, another failure, again we'll be targeting lower levels in around 87.83 and 87.50, and also being aware of the 200 and 400 period moving average. So with that said, that should wrap up the Euro Pound analysis. Thanks for watching.